If you want to sign in to X, formerly Twitter, using your Google account, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a really convenient option if you want faster access to your account without having to remember another password, and it can also help if your Google email is already connected to your X profile. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the X login page. You can do this by typing x.com into the address bar, then press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In option and begin the login process. Depending on your device or browser, you may see a pop-up window appear after you choose to sign in. When that pop-up window appears, you'll want to click Sign In with Google. This is the key step that connects your Google account to X. After you click it, a Google sign-in screen will open, and you'll be asked to choose the Google account you want to use. If you're not already signed into Google on your browser, you may need to enter your email address and password first. Now here's the important part. If the email address on your Google account matches the email address already linked to your existing X account, X will recognize it automatically. In that case, the accounts will link together and you should be signed in right away. You usually won't need to create anything new or manually connect the accounts because the matching email does most of the work for you. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you pick the one that uses the same email as your X account. That small detail can save you a lot of time and avoid signing into the wrong profile. If it doesn't link right away, double-check that the email addresses match exactly and make sure you are using the correct Google account. Once you're signed in, you can continue using X normally, just like you always would. You'll be able to access your feed, post updates, reply to content, and manage your account from the same place. If you plan to use this method often, it can make future logins much quicker and easier. And that's it. You've now learned how to sign into x.com or Twitter with your Google account. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.